everyone! Students and office professionals, please don't miss this video.
In this video, I will show you how to create Excel sheets, Microsoft Word documents, and PowerPoint presentations faster than AI. First, open Google. Now search for FileChef. From the search results, click on filechef.link. Once you click on it, a simple interface will appear on your screen. Next, select the category you need from the drop-down menu. For example, I will select Excel. Now type the name of the Excel file you want. You can search for files like data, summary, reports, dashboards, or analysis. Right now, I need a vendor's comparative statement. So I will type this and click on search. As you can see, several results appear along with their details. I can click on any one of them and the Excel sheet is ready to download. After downloading, I can easily edit the file and save it. In the same way, you can download PDF files, PowerPoint presentations, and Word documents. Once you start using this website, you will save a lot of your valuable time. Thank you for watching.